So I know that some of you are looking to get some completely free stuff from CashApp because, as you do know, times are in fact tough, and I do want to be helping you guys get the free money that you so justly deserve. You're going to want to make sure to watch till the end because actually number 3, I haven't seen anybody talk about this method, and using these methods I've been able to easily make over $100 a day using CashApp. So I'm hoping to help you guys get to the places that you want to go and make sure that you can get whatever you want for completely free. But if you also want to know something that's free, is subscribing to this channel and entering my $100 giveaway. So YouTube actually allows you to see how many people subscribe from a certain video, and if this video gets me over 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a free $100 giveaway. So all you got to do to enter is that you got to make sure to subscribe on this video, and you got to make sure to comment down below either your cash tag or your PayPal so I can make sure to give you that free $100 if you win it. And again, this video does have to get 100 subscribers for that to happen. But we are just going to go ahead and get into the video, but as always, thank you so much for watching. So right here, guys, I actually have CashApp. Now, CashApp is honestly one of the best ways to do modern payment processing. I know a lot of people have problems with things like PayPal because unless you pick friends and family, there is always going to be purchase protection, and PayPal always favors the person who is buying rather than selling. So if you're sending someone some money for something, you never know if they're just going to charge back. But with CashApp, there actually is no charging back. On top of that, with CashApp, they allow you to use Bitcoin. Now, I'm not aware of many payment processors that just have actively Bitcoin within them, and Bitcoin is super great if you're like me and you're a content creator and you need to pay people across seas who don't have access to something like PayPal. You can just pay them with Bitcoin, and that's honestly the #1 use of Bitcoin. You can also just use it to flat out invest in Bitcoin if that's something that you're interested in. And there's also the CashApp card. Now, I actually haven't signed up for the Cash card yet, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. If you guys are interested in me making a video about it, make sure to leave a comment down below because I am interested in exploring what that would actually look like. But the first thing that you guys are going to want to do to get some free money from CashApp is you're going to want to use a referral code. Now, if you guys didn't know, you can actually get a free $5 from CashApp provided that you have a referral code and that you have to either import $5 or you have to spend $5 in order for you to get the free $5 referral. As you can see right here, I've already gotten 4 people $5. And I know that for some people out there, they can get as much as 20. So you're going to want to make sure that you do after you sign up for CashApp is that you're going to want to check and see how much money you can get. But if you guys actually do want a referral code right now and you guys want to be my friend, I actually do have a referral code for you guys if you guys are interested in being my friend and getting a free $5. All you got to do is check the description down below. And in that description, I have both a code and a link. And you just got to make sure you go ahead and sign up for CashApp with that link. And also you got to make sure to do this. You got to link in either your debit card or a credit card, and you got to import $5, and you can just directly output that $5 right there. And what you guys can go ahead and do, I have all the names and numbers blurred out right here because these are actual people that I know and I don't want to accidentally dox them, is all you got to do is that you just got to invite each of them. Now, you can scroll through this page, and I don't know if I would do more than 5 a day, but you can DM them and say, hey, I can get you a free $5, and I'll get a free $5. I know you're my friend. I know you're interested in doing that, so you got to go ahead and do that. Now, I know a common problem that a lot of people have is actually depositing that $5 into their account because a lot of people don't have access to a debit or a credit card. But for our second method for getting some free CashApp money, I'm actually going to be teaching you the easiest way to get a completely anonymous and infinite amount of debit cards and credit cards that you can use for anything that you ever want. So if that does sound interesting, we're going to be going to the next method right now. So if you guys are interested in getting a bunch of free debit cards that you can use for literally anything, and the best part is that you can actually set limits. So this is one of the easiest ways that you guys can go ahead and get free subscriptions to almost anything because you can sign up for the 30-day a month trial and then use something like privacy to actually make it so that you don't pay for it at all because you can just set a price cap. But I know that a lot of these subscription services, what they'll do is that they'll charge you like 20 cents or 30 cents and then they'll refund it to you to make sure that the card is actually real. So this is a actual real credit card and debit card creation tool, and it is called Privacy. Now, if you guys are interested in using Privacy and you want to get a free $5 from that as well, that you can actually use to deposit into CashApp, which then you can use to get a free $10, and then you can repeat that process over and over over again to get just a bunch of free money. And this is how I've been able to make hundreds of dollars a day through both Cash App and Privacy, is using these both interchangeably and bouncing both between them, making alt accounts, creating more accounts. But this right here is actually my main Privacy account right here. And if you guys are interested in getting that invite a friend referral, I actually have an invite link here that will allow you to get $5. Now, not only will you be getting yourself a free $5 provided that you add a real card onto your Privacy, you have to make sure that you add a real card and you have some personal information that you have to go in and enter, and you have to enter in a real bank. But you can go ahead and use something like Privacy to then put into Cash App, where you can limit the number of transactions that go through, or you can limit the amount of money that goes through Cash App. So you're never going to get scammed through Cash App because there's a card that only has a set amount of limit. Now, I use Privacy daily for a bunch of subscriptions that I have. I use it for Epidemic Sound. I use it for Dropout. Real ones know what that is. I use it for Go High Level. I use it for YouTube Premium. I use it for Netflix. I use it for all these subscription services where I don't want my real credit card being put in every single one of these sites, and I want to make sure that it's limited. And using Privacy for that is actually, in my opinion, the best way to securely and safely pay for things through the internet. So if you guys do want that free $5 credit, what you got to do is that you got to sign up from my link down in the description, and it will reward you with a free $5 provided that you put in a real debit card. Now, you do have to put in a real debit card or a bank account into Privacy to make sure that you actually get that $5 reward, but this is honestly the best way to make a free, easy $10 from both Privacy and from Cash App, and you can use this method over and over again, and I would highly recommend you guys check out Privacy, because again, like I've said, this is actually a service that I've been using for a long time, and I'm really excited to recommend it to you guys because I really, really do love Privacy. All right, for our final method here today, guys, this is going to be the fun one, because this is a way that you're going to be able to make a ton of free, easy money, and that is using an app called Eureka. I actually love Eureka. I use Eureka daily, and as you can see right here, I've made over $10 just by filling out these surveys, and they don't take long at all. I personally fill them out when I'm sitting on the john, sitting on the shitter, and it's a super easy way just to come in and make a bunch of free, easy money, which you can cash out directly either into a Visa gift card or a PayPal or a bank transfer, or even a bunch of other gift cards you can go ahead and use. So you can just bounce this right back into Cash App, or you could bounce it into your Privacy balance. There's so many ways that you can make a bunch of free, easy money from Eureka, and you can refresh, and all of these surveys are refreshed daily. And if you guys are actually interested in making a free 50 cents, as you can see right here, I have 13 people that have already signed up for this, and they've made a free 50 cents, and they get a free $1 survey upon sign up. And you're also helping me out, and you're supporting the channel. I have both my link down below that you can sign up for, and I have the share code right here. And again, you can just download Eureka. You can get it on your phone right here, as you guys can see. And I love using Eureka. I love using Eureka just to make some free, easy money. And this is so easy to make. And then you compare the survey app potential of something like Eureka with the referral for referral thing that we talked about by using Cash App and Privacy. And you guys are well on your way to easily making hundreds of dollars from Cash App for completely free with basically no manual labor at all. But as you guys can see, we are now hitting the end of the video, so make sure that you subscribe, because I do actually have that $100 giveaway still going, and I am really excited to give you guys a piece of that pie. And if you guys are interested in watching any other video from me, or if you found these methods helpful or useful, you can go ahead and click on any one of these videos right now. I guarantee you whatever you're looking at is pretty interesting, pretty engaging. I have no idea what you're looking at. I don't know what you're seeing. I'm pretty sure it's fun though, and I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and make some free, easy money from that. But thank you again so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.